Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect wireless keyboard to Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. To connect, you will need a wireless keyboard and a Bluetooth adapter that comes with the keyboard. Connect the Bluetooth adapter to the TV via USB. Press on the Win button. The Settings menu opens. Press the Escape button. Smarthub opens. You can control it using the arrows. That's it. Now you know how to connect wireless keyboard to Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.